Are you a Christian parent working 2 and 3 jobs and don't have the time to create special memories with your children? I watch this video and I'll show you how you can do so. My name is Everett Edwards and I am a digital online business owner from Ontario, Canada, originally from the island of Jamaica. I am currently in Boulder, Colorado, just visiting for the day. I started this business over 3 years ago because there was a need for me to be able to spend quality time with my family. And having to work 3 jobs, I couldn't find the time to even spend a moment with them. I remember working one job from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then I have to take a break between 10 and 11 to go to the other one, which starts at 11 p.m. and I work that one from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and I got another one which starts sometimes at 6 or 5:30 in the morning, so I had to ask my current boss, the 11 to 7, to excuse me to allow me to go to the next one, which is from 5 a.m. to 4 in the afternoon, sometimes 5. So I couldn't find any time to spend with my children. So I knew then that it's time for me to get something that would allow me this opportunity of be able to spend quality time with my family, and to add all that up. Those 3 jobs weren't able to cover all my expenses as well. So I knew then that there's something that had to be done. So I was on YouTube, browsing YouTube, when I found this ad of a couple from Alberta, Canada, and they were talking about this online business. And of course I was skeptical, but when they mentioned that they were able to sponsor missions, which is a part of my ultimate aim, to sponsor missions, and that they were able to spend quality time with their family, then they got my attention. So what I did was I signed up on their website, my email address and my name, and they were able to send me a link to the 90-minute workshop. I watched the workshop and I realized that this business might be the opportunity for me to break free from 3 jobs. So I signed up, and next thing, I do my diligence. I was able to do my coaching call, and as we say, the rest is history. I was able to start my own digital online business. They able to set up my they assist me in setting up my business page, website, email address, so that I'll be able to start my funnel to start my business. So if you're looking for a business that will allow you just 1 to 2 hours per day, then this business might be for you. So register your full name and your email address at the website, at the Learn More button, and I'll be able to send you the link. Once you get the link, watch the workshop and see if this business resonates with you, and you'll be able to start on your journey. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Blessings.